Welcome back to the channel, guys, and in this video we have part 1 of the auto to manual conversion. Let's get started. Alright, first thing we got to do is get the fluid drained out, get all the connectors taken off, and then probably move the airbox out of the way, get this thing jacked up, and get the mount disconnected and start removing the transmission. So far we got the airbox out, the intake tube, we got all the electrical connections. The transmission is drained. I got to get to this bolt here, and this one to take off the torque mount. We cracked this one and this one loose just for now. We have the starter connections off. We're going to remove the starter in a moment, and then I'm going to disconnect the transmission oil feed lines that go to the radiator, the cooler. We also disconnected this line right here. So far everything's looking good. I'll take you guys underneath. You guys can check out what we got going on down here. So we got to get that one out right there. We got the cotter pin out of the ball joint. Just got to get it all the way out of the control arm. We also have the axle backed out of the transmission. So once this gets a little loose, then we should be able to wiggle that axle all the way out of there. Alright, so far we got pretty much everything off. All we got to do is remove the bolts that hold the trans to the block, and then we're going to get underneath and we're going to remove the automatic shifter box. We have shifter cable. It's already loosened a little bit. I took it off already, but I want to show you guys. I wasn't able to get it on camera because my camera battery had died, but this cable runs through this little cover that's on the side of the transmission. Remove the cover. It's two 10 mil bolts, and then there's a 10 mil bolt that holds the arm together, and it's pretty simple. Just kind of wiggle it right off and then back it right out, and it should look like that with a 10 mil right at the bottom. Alright, and we're completely underneath the car, and we got to get to that bolt there, that one, and that one. Drop all 4 of those, be able to pull that shift box out. I just got all 4 bolts off. This one had snapped in half. This one I had to use a 9mm, hammer it on, and then same thing for this one. This one was pretty easy, came off no issues with a 10 mil. Got the automatic transmission out. Took a little while. Did not want to separate from the block. Got the torque converter exposed. Gonna come back tomorrow, remove that, get the clutch kit, flywheel bolts all put on. Oh, it's getting late, guys. I'm getting ready to clean up, head inside for the night. Catch you guys in the morning. What's going on, everybody? And we are back today. I didn't get started earlier this morning because it was downpouring. So the rain has stopped. It's really foggy outside, but we're going to be inside the car anyway. We're getting the shift box out finally. Everything underneath is already disconnected and all the bolts are off. So I should be able to just remove the center console and be able to pull it up from above or drop it down from underneath and just pull it out, but we'll see what happens. We're going to keep you updated throughout the whole time and show you every step. So far we got everything besides the cable out. Shifter is all out, all the wires are disconnected. You can see underneath we left the pigtail in. Obviously we have to bridge a few wires in here to get reverse and to get our ignition to work the right way. These wires, I'm not too sure what's going on with them. I think they were just for the shift selector, but I will update that in the next video. That's gonna do it for this video, part 1 of our auto to manual conversion. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all your support. Stay tuned for part 2. We'll be installing the transmission, Hasport mounts, exited clutch kit, and more. I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. But until next time, take care. Peace.